Hey, Garvin. You excited? Oh, he scared you. It's okay. He just had a little cough. Okay, go ahead. Try giving it to him now. Try giving it to him now. No? Scared? Here, like this. See? He's okay now. It's okay now. Go give it to him. You gotta walk up there. Go give it to him. You can do it. You can do it. Good job. Good job, my sweet baby. You wanna go feed some other animals?